What's going on, guys? Doggers here, back with another video, and today, as you can see, I'm at my friend's house. So we decided to make Korean. Let's go! So first up will be the kimchi jjigae. So our main ingredient will be kimchi right here. So basically it's a kimchi soup made with pork belly, made with scallions or onion leeks, what you call it, some garlic, tofu, and a few more vegetables. So this is how we're gonna be doing this soup. So sit tight. So basically get a medium-sized pot, and then what I do, I just put everything inside. Like for example, this one, just put your onion leeks, which are the stems right here. Just put them on inside. Oh, there we go. And then your pork belly, like that. And then we have this Korean squash. Make sure you just add that as well. There we go. And then your garlic. Just put them all inside. Yep. And then don't forget the star of the show, which is kimchi. You add that in there. There we go. And when you've done all that, make sure you just add some water. There we go. And a little bit more. So there we go. And then we just leave it like that to boil for about 20 minutes. So we have separated the tofu. This is going to be the finishing of the soup. And then we have the chopped green onions over there. So we set the soup aside. Now we're just waiting for it to be boiling. It's over there, as you can see. And we're moving on to the main course, which is Korean barbecue. Since we don't have a grill, I'll just be using a pan. Make sure to put your pan on high heat before adding any meat. Once your pan is ready, you can now add your meat. Let the meat cook for at least 1 to 2 minutes each side before flipping them. Once you achieve the right doneness that you prefer, you can use scissors to easily cut through the meat into small pieces. So the soup has come into a boil. Before I forgot the main key ingredients, which is gochujang. I just forgot to add it earlier. So just use a spoonful of the gochujang and make sure to mix it thoroughly in the soup. Once you're done mixing the gochujang in, you can now add the sliced tofu that you set aside earlier, and after that you can also add the leeks, which we set aside earlier as well, together with the tofu to finish up the soup. And right now we're just adding a little bit of meat to the table, so we're just cooking some sliced beef, and yeah. So we're just finishing up over here, just finishing up all the last meat that we have left. And then as we can see that the meat already, the soup is ready, and it's time for us to
prepare the table. And we have right now are some side dish such as fish cakes. We have pickled seaweed, some sesame leaves. The meat, of course, is over there. And then we're gonna add some lettuce and some other sides such as kimchi and sauces like gochujang and samjang. And there we have it. That's gonna be our Korean dinner for tonight together with my friends. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I hope you like this video. Peace.